Question one, we've got the nice usual setup. We've got to read through this and decide what sort of distribution we're talking about. And the first thing we're doing, we're counting the number of special tokens. So let's say put that down. X equals the number of tokens that we get. And in part A, Andre is actually buying 40 of them. So we do have a maximum number of 40. So we're talking about a binomial distribution here. X is a binomial, and the chance of getting a special token is 2%, so 0.02. That's usually your first mark for just identifying this thing here. Now, to get a prize, you need to collect 3 of these. Now, you could get 3, or you could actually get more than 3, couldn't you? So probability that X is greater than or equal to 3. And so then we'll go into our calculator, we'll go into our distributions mode, and we're going for a binomial greater than or equal to 3 from 40 goes with a probability of 0.02. And so it's going to give us 0.0456. Always look at this here. Oh, and look, on the very first one there, we need to do a bit of rounding. So it was 0.04567, which is equal to 0.0457 to 3 significant figures. So it is anything that rounds to. Always look at that extra one there. So you got for that. Now, part B, Barney. Barney intends to buy chocolate bars one at a time until he can get the prize. And so if Y equals the number of bars that Barney buys, he's not going to buy 40, he's going to stop as soon as he's got 3 of them. So the probability that Barney can claim a prize when he buys his 40th bar, so actually getting it on the 40th bar. So this is a negative binomial this time. So Y is a negative binomial. We're keeping buying until we get the third one we wanted, and 0.02 is the probability of getting it. Let's move that up a little bit. And so the probability of it equaling 40, well, we can use the formula, or we can think about it logically. Logically is that in the first 39 goes, we get 2 of them. So that is 39 choose 2, 2 successes, and 37 failures. And then on the 40th go, we get the extra success. So that's when that changes to a 3 here. So I'm going to put that into my calculator. I'll just go up here. So just moving that up. And so yeah, I go into a binomial, exit. So my binomial is, I want to go equal to 2 out of 39. Oops, I put 36 there, didn't I? 2 out of 39. So that's the little bit there. And then menu 1, exit variables, statistics, result from my distribution P. Look, there's that value there. And then I need to times that by 0.02. So timesing that by 0.02 gives me quite a small number, 0.002807. So 00281. If I'm putting that there, and I'll probably check that. I could tap, if I've got time, I could tap it in directly as well, going through all of that. And the last bit of this one here, so it said for the last bit, find the expected number. So there's a formula for the expected number. The expected number is R over P. R here is 3, we want to get 3 of them. P here is 0.02, so he'd expect to buy 150 of them. It's quite a lot, but then the chance of getting a special token was only 2%, so it is quite low, does make sense there. So question 1,